Today I want to introduce you a product that we sell here at Nacuwa. It's called the Nacuwa Travel Luggage Package Organizers. So what it is, it's going to be 5 different cubes that will help you organize either your suitcase, I have here my gym bag to show you, or any other travel accessories that you're going to be using. That you just need a little bit extra space. So let me walk you through how I'm gonna pack it and how you see how stuffed it is right now and the difference afterwards. So let's begin with the shoes. That's the most important part for me. Separating these from the rest of my clothes so it doesn't get dirty. And I'll go ahead and put the sandals in as well because these two, I don't want these two touching anything. Got the shoes one here. Stuff these in here. And any shoes will really fit in here as long as they're not like huge boots or anything. But I can easily fit the shoes and the sandals. So it does fit multiple if you organize it in here. Zip it up nice and tightly. And then we have that packed. For this, I'm gonna go ahead and put my undergarments in here. Again, another good thing that it's good to separate. You don't want to mix them with everything else. So I'm gonna pack these in here. And then this, I'm gonna go ahead and put all my clothes in here because I only have 2 different outfits. So. Okay, nice and tight. Still got room in it to fit a couple more outfits. One of the most important ones. This is for the toiletries. So I'm gonna throw everything I have in here. I have one of these, some Axe spray, deodorant, shampoo, Thermogel, a little bit of everything. And then for this final bag, the biggest one, I'm gonna actually put in my accessories. Like this belt that I use sometimes, powders, I have a couple. I don't actually go through them all. And a water bottle. Well, it fits nicely and there's actually a lot of room in here. I'm probably gonna put this one in here first. Clothes. There we go. Shoes. And the undergarments. And voila. So you see now everything's nicely packed, everything's nicely separated. And I even have my 2 pockets on the side are completely empty. So I can even put in more things. So as you saw earlier in the video where every single pocket was full when I first had my gym bag, now that I have these packing cubes, I have a lot of room up top, I have room on the sides, both sides, and all of these packing cubes have a little extra room to squeeze things in. It's really convenient. They're affordable packing cubes that really help you organize your life, both daily use like this gym bag or for vacation and travel use.